Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I've got this lovely terraced property in the immediate seafront area, just literally a few metres from the picturesque harbour, coming to the market very shortly. Now this one is perfect for those looking for a holiday let or a low maintenance bolt hole getaway, or just a permanent residence, but down here in the heart of things. Now it's beautifully done out throughout. The accommodation is arranged over 3 floors. There are 3 really good sized bedrooms in here and this lovely cosy living space, as well as a well-equipped fitted kitchen and a nicely appointed family bathroom. Now everything is on hand here. As I've already said, the harbour is literally just a stone's throw away. All of the shops, bars, restaurants in the immediate area are very easily accessible, and the high street is also close by too. Parking isn't a problem. There's a public car park very close to here, and permits are available to purchase throughout the season. So I'm going to give you a sneak preview now, but to register your interest in this one, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.